Hey guys, just thought I would film myself today, kind of like going throughout my day. It is around 9 a.m. Wanted to do kind of a day in the life of an agency owner, and just kind of take you guys through what a normal day looks like for me. It's, like I said, it's 9 a.m. It's kind of a late start to the day. If I'm dead honest, I am not a very early riser. I work a lot at night and in the evening time, so I don't get up super early like a lot of people. I got up today around 8:30, headed to the gym now around 9. But yeah, I've got my first meeting at 10:30, so I need to go to the gym, get a quick little workout in. And yeah, today is kind of a meeting heavy day, which is why I wanted to take you guys through what, you know, a meeting heavy day would look like, and then just kind of some normal stuff that I do on a daily basis. If you're wondering why I look like this, I live in Georgia, if you couldn't tell by the big G on my chest, and it's 35 degrees this morning. And for a lot of you guys in the northern states, you're like, oh, it's nothing. Dude, it's never supposed to get like that down here. Like, yeah, okay, it's supposed to get like that in like January, February, but dude, it's not supposed to, like, dude, it's October, bro, chill. Like, literally, I can't. I got up this morning, dude, almost froze my off, dude. Anyway, we're heading to the gym. I want to get some cardio in, maybe a quick little back and buys day, and we may go again in the afternoon, considering we're kind of on a time crunch. So anyway, just wanted to give you an intro. Today's video is also filmed on the new iPhone 14 Pro in the cinematic mode. Just kind of wanted to try it out. But yeah, excited to try this out. I'm not very good at vlogging, if you can't tell already, so I'm gonna try my best to stay consistent, go throughout the day, but give me a little bit of break here. It's not my forte. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So we're leaving now. Didn't get in quite as much as I wanted to, just because, you know, we have this meeting at 10:30. So I wanted to take you guys through. By the way, it's around 10 right now, so it's like spent maybe an hour there, not even. But I wanted to take you guys through my schedule today. So we have this meeting at 10:30, and then we have another one at 1, and then we have another one at 3:30, I think. So once we get all those done, we'll kind of be good for the day. But like I said, I do a lot of my like work on the business late at night. When I say work on the business, it's like against work in the business. Like, work in the business means doing fulfillment for clients, doing, like, you know, meetings with clients, things like that. Working on the business is like outreach, sales meetings, things of that sort. Kind of like content for my agency, running ads for my agency. And I do that all in like the evening time, afternoon. I've also got a YouTube video that I want to edit today and send out today. Usually have mine up in the morning, but it looks like I'm not going to get that out until the afternoon, but I got to stay consistent. So yeah, I just got a lot on my plate today. Outside of those meetings, I have this email campaign that I'm running for one of my clients who's been on my butt about it, but I have to get it out tomorrow morning. So we're just doing some like final revisions and things of that sort. So dealing with that, I also just have some content calendar things to go ahead and post. I have some things that are already scheduled. So really just all around today, a lot of just different moving parts. It's really important as an agency owner to stay organized. So like, wow, I look skinny. It's really important as an agency owner to stay organized, and I gotta give credit to my girlfriend. She gave me an agenda, or like this like daily tasks reminder thing. It's an agenda, but she put like my agency logo on it, and it looks really cool. It's really like aesthetically pleasing, but I use it every single day, and I've never been an organized person or you know, someone that would go into an agenda and really track things. So I've been using it for the past like 2 months, and man, it has really helped my productivity, because as an agency owner, you know, one of the main, you know, flaws is you get all kind of built up with stress because there's so many different moving parts. You have to keep track of all those, you know, moving parts, and all the different fulfillment things for your clients. This has really helped, you know, with that kind of process. So like usually the night before, the morning of, I'll write down everything I have to do, everything I want to do, and then everything I probably should be doing after, you know, I get all those things done. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of throw that out there, but let's get my day started. It's 9:58 and I've got to take a shower and get ready for this meeting just so I can look professional. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. Yo, so I just got out of my meeting. Well, not just got out, I've been out for like 30 minutes now, but I've got another meeting at 1. So I have to do some work beforehand. I'm actually editing a YouTube video that I want to get out today. I think today's the 18th. So whatever video comes out on the 18th is a video that I'm currently editing, creating a thumbnail for. So I want to get that out. I also have an email test to send for this campaign that I was talking about earlier. So I've got to send that test email out before, because I was supposed to do that this morning. I'm a little bit behind. So I'm going to send that out. But I'm going to record a little bit of this meeting coming up at 1. It's a really cool client of mine. He runs a water bottle company. Just overall awesome guy. So I'll record a little bit of it. But I've got I said 3:30 earlier for the other meeting, which I was wrong about. It's actually at 2:30. So I've got kind of back-to-back meetings here. But after that, it should be good. Anyway, just wanted to update you guys, and yeah, keep you updated. Sometimes if TikTok comes across a page that's like main intent is to sell, and so quick update, I just got out of my last meeting, and for the rest of the day I'm just going to be working on some fulfillment stuff. I'm going to be working on small stuff around the company, like just making sure I hit my outreach goals, doing some upper hand, my company is called Upper Hand Marketing, if you didn't know, and I'm going to do some upper hand content for LinkedIn, Instagram. It's important as an agency to have a presence on that kind of stuff, so make sure I got that out. I'm also building my newsletter, so if you haven't already signed up for that, sign up down below. You can get free outreach templates in a PDF, but it's called Win in Marketing, so I've been developing some emails and some systems for that as well. I'm going to create some articles tonight as well, but I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. I know I've said that a lot, but man, the whole day is spent at this one little desk. I mean, the agency life is not lavish by any means, but the money's good, and as long as you put, you know, your effort into it, you can make a lot. So yeah, that's kind of what today is going. Today has been a really you know, sit down at the desk and nail things down kind of day. So it's a good day to vlog because it's very realistic. So yeah. Hey, so it's nighttime now, and I realize that I've been extremely inconsistent. Like I said in the beginning of this video, it is not my forte, vlogging, but I'll kind of run you through what the rest of my day has looked like and where I'm going right now. I'm actually going back to the gym. Like I mentioned earlier, I wanted to get another workout in just because this morning was kind of short, so I'm going to do that and just get some more cardio in. But my meetings today have gone great. We actually are in the process of upcharging a client that I have right now, not a potential client, a current client, to do some more servicing for him. And something that I preach on my channel a lot is, you know, getting in with a client with one service and then upcharging to other things that you're doing, but in an ethical way. Now let me explain. So a lot of people just want to sell whatever they have because they want to make more money. Obviously that's like the main, you know, point of it. The thing that you have to keep into accountability is that, you know, you have to make sure that your services are fit for their business. You have to make sure that whatever you're doing for them is providing them with profit and is worth their time and money, because at the end of the day, they're spending it on you. You know what I mean? And so it's just something that, you know, for me, it was a service that I realized that we haven't been doing yet for them. And it was, you know, there was a lot of revenue that's being left out by not providing the service. So I went to him and I said, you know, this is what we're doing right now. It's worked really well for some of our other clients. Wanted to try it out with you. And he's down, so that, you know, that is going from a $1,500 a month client to a $2,500 a month client, just like that. And I think it's really important to kind of try that more as opposed to signing a bunch of smaller clients. Like, because if you get to the point where you're, you know, with $2,500 clients, you know, sure, that may be $10,000 a month, but is it really worth your time as opposed to 10 clients that are $1,000 a month? You know what I mean? Like, you see how I'm getting there? But yeah, the day has gone really well, and our clients are pretty satisfied with what we're doing. So it's always a good feeling, you know, helping out businesses. We actually, one of the guys that we're doing social media management for told us that, you know, due to some of the Instagram reels and TikToks that have gone viral for his e-commerce store, that that actually we brought in almost, and it's, you know, social media management revenue is hard to measure, but compared to last month, we've grown in about $10,000 in revenue. And outside of social media management, there's not much marketing being done for the actual store. So, you know, it's kind of, you know, you are easily leaning towards, yeah, social media has driven this much revenue for us. But, you know, again, it's just all about staying consistent, because for the longest time we weren't able to get traction for this client. But no, that's gone really well. And the rest of the day I've just been doing like smaller social media management, fulfillment, like creating posts, scheduling posts. Usually late at night is when I like to do kind of personal brand stuff and my newsletter stuff. So like tonight I'm going to the gym, just gonna get some cardio in. The gym actually closes in under an hour, so I'm not gonna have much time. But when I come back home from the gym, I shower. The NBA starts tonight, so I'm gonna probably turn that on in the background. I'm a huge basketball guy. And I'm gonna turn that on in the background, write my newsletters, maybe schedule out some email campaigns for later. But overall, just have a chill night. Like, this is something that I enjoy doing, and I wouldn't be working if I didn't really enjoy the process of it all. Because I love writing these articles. I love planning these campaigns out. Sorry that you guys can't really see me in this light. I love planning these campaigns out and just providing as much value as possible. So if you're part of this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, because I really try to, you know, portray as much value as I possibly can on my videos. You know, I read something that was, if you're growing wealth and you're not helping other people grow wealth with you, then what's your purpose? And I totally believe that. You know, I want everybody that's subscribed to my channel that takes my one-on-one coaching calls to succeed. And so I try to provide as much value as possible. But today has been a pretty lax day. I mean, outside of the meetings, you know, it's been busy, but not much has been going on outside of the desk. So I just want to, you know, try to film everything that's outside of that, because I feel like too many clips at my desk might be boring. So anyway, that's kind of where I've been all day. I'm gonna get to the gym, try to get a decent workout in a short amount of time that I have, and get back home and yeah, do some newsletter and personal brand stuff. But I'll catch you guys then. Hey y'all, so I just got out of the shower, back at my desk now, watching some NBA in the background while I do some work. I know my hair's kind of crazy, I'm getting it cut tomorrow, but that is essentially what a day in the life of an agency owner looks like. I mean, I'll probably sit here, what time is it? It's 11:30. So I'll probably sit here for another 30-45 minutes, try to put down my phone and put on my blue light glasses, just to make sure that, you know, I'm not like still amped when I try and fall asleep. But do some work on a personal brand stuff, and really just get ahead for tomorrow. Ultimately, you know, my whole goal throughout the day is to get done with my actual client fulfillment. That way in the afternoon, the evening time, I can work on, you know, stuff like this, my YouTube channel, my Twitter, my course that I'm building right now, my email newsletter that I'm trying to get out. So really just gonna get some logistical stuff done. I've got some tax stuff I need to deal with, but yeah, that's been a day in the life. I know it's not lavish. It's not, I guess, what people would expect, you know, compared to people like Eman Gadsey who, you know, have those 6-figure months. I'm not necessarily at that point yet, but this is really what the grit and grind looks like on a daily basis. You just have to put in the hours, and, you know, I probably worked 15 hours today. So, but I love every second of it. And as long as you love what you're doing, there's kind of no point in doing anything else. So it's the message that I try and relay to people. But anyway, I hope you guys have a good time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did get to this point, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see some more videos like this, maybe little intricates of my personal life or behind the scenes stuff. But I really appreciate you if you watched this far. I'll see you in the next one.